was saying, that oven so reminds me of the oven from Howl's Moving Castle, where Calcifer spent his days there burning wood. That actually reminds me of that. And if you guys haven't seen Howl's Moving Castle, I highly recommend you guys watching it. It is a wonderful movie. I watched that movie when I was very little, and I still like it to this day. Alright, let's climb onto this cabinet. Oh, there's a light. Let's just light it up. Alright. Alright, let's light this little guy here. Oh, oh! Hey, you can't. Oh! Oh, you can't reach me. Haha. He's just staring. Anna, get me up here. Guess what? I'm wrecking stuff. Take that. Is there another pot or something? Man, look at those. Why is there a shark? How do you have a shark and a swordfish in your kitchen? How? How do you have that in there? Right, let's climb. There's even more fish! Alright. Why is there two toilets together? I don't understand this. Why is there two toilets? Let me light this up. Here we go. I don't assume that both toilets are for both buns. I don't think that's how toilets work. Alright, let's go past here. Just a random tea kettle. And let's go. Where do I go from here? Maybe I should wake him up? There. I'll go. No, that didn't work. How about way far? Nope. That didn't budge one bit. Okay, let me see. The key! There's a key right there! Maybe I'm supposed to get the key. Let's climb. Wait. There's two? There's two chefs? Holy cow. How do I get up here? And how do I get down? I guess the beds is my only choice. Alright. And, guess it's my only choice. So, down we go. Alright, we're safe. Alright, let's grab the key. It's really stacked, so let me just swing. And there we go. Grab the key. Alright, here we go. Going through. Guess we go down the elevator. Or let me see. Do I need to go over here? No, I can't go over here. Yeah, no, I can't go over here. Okay. I just wanted to make sure of something. There's a bar of soap. Oh, I dropped the key. Oh no! It's okay. It's okay, friend. Alrighty. Hope you stay safe. Alright, now let's go to the elevator. Pull the lever! And down we go. No! No! Oh, buddy! Let me hide. Wait, there's someone coming. That's a close one. Alright, I'm gonna drop the key, and I'm gonna free you. There you go. Little hug. That's a very glitched hug. Now I'm just hugging the bucket. And now, let's just hide here. Let's hide underneath. Hide underneath. There we go. Now grab the key. Now we wait. That was a very weird glitch. Never thought I would see that. Alrighty. Now, let's get out of here. And into the kitchen. Oh, there's a little door. Awesome. Now, oh, he's in here. No, he's not in here. Okay. Let me just make sure. No, he's still not in here. Good. That means I can just run over here. Right here. Are they both in there? I think so. Oh, I thought he was gonna come up. This is a weird layout for a kitchen. Can I just say that it's a weird layout for a kitchen? Oh god, you spot me! Run, 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 run. Go, 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 go. Alright, let's book it. Book it! Alright, let's hide here for a bit. No, wait, let's just risk it. Let's go over here. Since he is on the other side, unlock it. Yes! Alright, no, don't pick up the lock. Go through the door! Alright, I made it through the door. Alright. Let's jump. Jump up. Oh, wait. I think he's gone. Okay, good. Sausage. Ew. Alright. Let's go over here. Man, all this meat is gonna go back if it's just lying around. Ooh, sausage. Sausages everywhere. Ew. I'm just gonna say, oh, little friend, hello. There we go. I'm just gonna say this right now. I'm really not much of a fan of hot dogs. I don't like eating hot dogs or corn dogs or anything that involves with a dog. Let's see. I guess we have to pull here. Oh, meat came out. No, no. Okay. So I guess we... Okay, that's kind of gross. I guess we have to go up and see if we could put more sausage. I mean, more meat into it. So can I jump? Is it possible to jump? Maybe I have to go up. No. Alright, there we go. Okay. Ooh. Ooh, we are in the freezer. Oh, there's one here. Awesome. Alright, let me just grab that. I'm assuming that we're supposed to put it over here, which that we will do. Alrighty. There we go. Well, there's a door here. Can we go through the door? No, I can't go through the door. There's another meat right here, so let's do that. I've actually been on a freezer a couple times in my life, and honestly, they are really, it's really cold. Alright, got that. But yeah, it is like very cold in a freezer. Yeah, let's just go in here. Any secrets? Oh, there's a lantern. And a doll! Alright, let's break it. Yeah, we broke it! Woo! Woohoo! We broke it. Is there anything else in here? Can I climb this? Yeah. A bug. Buddy! Rest in peace. Unless it died in the frost. Rest in peace. So let's get out of here. And I think that's all the meat. So I think I'm just gonna go down and see if it's like long enough for me to... Let me see if it's long enough so I can like reach to the other side. Oh, hey buddy! Oh, here, have another hug. Hugsies. Hugs. Alright, there you go. Alright, so now let's grind some more meat to make sausages. And go on our merry little way. Alright, grab the lever. There we go. And now let's turn the crank. That is so weird. Alright, that's enough, so I guess I grab. I fell. That's okay. Alright. Jump, grab. Alrighty. Now we just swing over. And there we go. Into the little hole. Okay. Vent. Let's go through. Guess we have to go down. Well, at least it wasn't that far off.